Hey guys, welcome back to Help Email Tales. Is your GoDaddy email acting up and refusing to cooperate? I know, nothing's more frustrating than missing important messages because your email just won't load, send, or sync properly. So, in this video, I'm going to show you the fastest and the most effective solutions to get your GoDaddy email working again. And yes, we are talking about fixing it in 5 minutes. However, if you still need a hand after trying this solution, you can contact our experts by calling at the numbers on the screen. Let's get straight to it and get your GoDaddy email running smoothly again. First, you should open your web browser on your computer and search for GoDaddy. From the search results, just click on the Sign In option under the GoDaddy link. Now tap in your GoDaddy username and password. Double check to make sure they are correct. Once everything's entered, go ahead and hit the Sign In button. Your GoDaddy account dashboard should now be open. Scroll down a bit until you spot the Domain section, then click Manage button next to your domain name. On the page that pops up, make sure DNS is selected on the left side panel. Now, check on the Name Server tab at the top. Next up, click on Change Name Servers. A pop-up will appear on the screen. Just choose the recommended option for your domain and click Save, and that's it.
If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and share it with others. For more detailed and easy to follow guides, subscribe to our channel or visit helpemailtales.com. You can also contact our experts at the following numbers for seamless one-on-one assistance.